I'm going to color a mango. So firstly, I add water and I add yellow, green and orange on this wet layer. When I add the colors are making various color tones. Red has color tones, yellow, green and every color has tones. So we have to make that tone for our mango. Step by step we can go dark. Finally you can add a background for your painting. How is it?